So, good afternoon. Yeah, I will present you now the Candid Closet PH business plan. This plan is contents of company name. Sir, kailangan pang summarize isa-isa.
It's okay. I mean, you can do it quickly. It is all right.
Okay. Executive summary, company profile, mission and vision, goal, company logo, target market, demographic segmentation, SWOT analysis, products, licenses, organization chart, and location. Executive summary. Company profile. Candid Closet PH is a retail business. Wait, sir. Di ko maalis yung mga ano natin dito sa screen.
Sa taas niya, nakalagay sa view. Pag finul mo siya, na may view sa taas. Tapos ang piliin mo yung side-by-side gallery.
Wait lang. Wala tuloy. Saan ba ito?
Nakita mo na?
Quality. Authentic designer bags. Wallet, watches, shoes, sandals, perfume, and belts. To internet shoppers, this retail business is under the ownership of myself, who is enthusiastic about luxury brands and the latest fashion trends. The products are available through social media platforms such as Facebook page and Instagram account that will be delivered directly within Dubai and in the Philippines. Our mission, we aim to provide our customer with the best selection of designer brands at the lowest possible cost, and the utmost convenience, also to make our customer be ahead of the latest fashion trends and improve their quality of life. Vision, to be recognized as one of the most trusted retail business of designer brands globally, as well as to have its own warehouse in the future wherein the products will be stored and well taken care of. Our goal. Our goal is to make a customer satisfaction a top priority. By doing so, we strive to provide low-cost products to customer without compromising their quality and authenticity. This is our logo. The word Candid from Candid Closet PH means openness and sincerity. Openness because our product remains its authenticity and you would actually get what you see in the picture. Sincerity because our main aim is to satisfy our customer by means of giving them the best quality products. Moreover, as you can see in the logo, we applied mint green as a background color because it signifies wellness and growth, and we want our business to grow and foster. As per the font, we just search for anything that is suitable to the product that we are selling. Target market. People aged 18 and above, someone who is looking for the trendiest and the latest fashion, office worker, college students. Demographic segmentation. Self-employed, occupation, Filipinos, Emiratis, income 20 to 25 monthly, education, educational attainment is not required, religion, any religion, marital status, no matter whatever the status, accepted, age 18 and above.
Sa Philippines ang setting ito, no, dear?
Sir?
Philippines ang setting,
Philippines. No? Yes, sir. Philippines, and meron din kaming mga ano, sir, dito. Yung mga client namin dito, sir, mga customer namin, pag magsasend sila ng gift sa family nila, so dito sila nagpe-pay and then di-deliver namin doon sa Philippines.
We can skip the SWOT yet. I mean,
okay.
Yeah.
What do we offer? Bags. This is authentic bags.
Coach.
Coach, this one, Tory, but mostly Coach products. We have also this Coach, Marc Jacobs, MK, Chanel also. This Chanel is all original, sir. This is original from the store itself. Belt, watches, the shoes, this Gucci and Hermes, this one is from the store. Because meron kasi kami mga clients, sir, na mas mura kasi yung mga items dito na original kaysa dun sa Pinas. Kaya may mga umu-order din pa ilan-ilan ng mga branded na Hermes, mga high-end na brand. May mga ilan-ilan din umu-order sa Pinas. Yan, Tory, MK shoes. Yan, meron din kami sa Instagram, Facebook. Yan, licenses, registration of business with the Department of Trade and Industry. It is necessary to register your business with DTI to provide it with the legal identity and gain the right to use your business name. Barangay clearance, barangay business clearance is important for the business because it entails that you're complying with the requirements of the local government. Mayor's permit, similar to the barangay clearance, the mayor's permit or business permit ensures that your business complies with all the ordinance of the particular city or municipality you operate in. Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR registration. This document is important because it's improved that you have been given the legal rights to operate your business in the Philippines. Organization chart. Yan, ako yung owner. Tapos meron akong dalawang may sales representative, may media and media specialist, admin, marketing specialist. Owner is in charge of creating and managing their business plan, developing their marketing campaigns, and coming up with the ways to keep the company competitive and profitable. Sorry. Media specialist is responsible for overseeing the day-to-day operation of a business and is in charge of implementing new policies and procedure among daily operation. They also build digital campaigns, oversee content creation, and monitor progress. Marketing specialists responsible for promoting business product. They're also the one who figures out the strategies that can boost sales and revenue while ensuring these strategies are aligned with the needs of the customer. Sales representative serves customers by selling products and meeting customer needs. They typically sell products via internet, through live selling and social media posting. Yan, location, Pasay City. Yan, meron WhatsApp, may number mobile, Philippine mobile number, Gmail. And yun lang, sir.
Okay. May similar business